What's up everyone, welcome back to HNSHQ, and today it's been a bit late, so let's get started. So we did a few features yesterday, so let's close we'll just push all these things. Okay, so first things first, we'll just push all these things. Why is it we are in this, right? So why is it saying main? Okay, we'll just ignore some kind of weird issue. Okay, so let's start the redesign, not redesign, like maybe polishing the UI. I'm not sure. Let's see what's happening. So what UI updates are we doing today? I don't know. Let's ask AI. Give me some questions to post to AI, please. Okay, so we have this this UI, which is not very much polished, which I don't like it much. So I want the UI to be polished, not just like animation. components when they are zooming in or moving due to the animation. Fix all the issues and make perfect. Okay, let's see what it's gonna do. Do we have any new libraries? Okay. So motion.dev is basically framer motion, right? Which one are we using then? We are using framer motion, so it's the same thing, right? So UI Okay, I think we need to use motion react and okay, what are you doing? Fix image capture. just changing the scaling. Why are you increasing the scale while over 1.03? Sign in button. Okay. Okay. Why do we need this big? Why is it doing this? Okay, I don't like this change. Same thing with this. Why do we need zooming in for these buttons? I don't think we need. Okay, I think it's exaggerating everything. 0397. It's too much. We don't need that. Sign out. Same thing. Sign out. Why? Why are we increasing? I said decrease. I don't like this. Okay. I don't like the animation. Okay, I think this looks better. But I don't like this card in desktop. So navigation. Yeah, now it looks better. It's looking like similar to mobile web. Oh, oh, something happened. Oh my god. Yep. So I think this works. But I don't like the background blur. But let's just do this first. So I just don't want to see only three. I want more, or some way we need to fill this up. Interesting. Today's entry Thursday, July 30. Sign out my name. Okay. Okay. I think that looks okay. Hmm. I don't see that. Hmm. Okay, I think okay it will only show the latest ones. I think it's not gonna show the past things in the circle. So I think that's a feature which we are waiting for, and maybe we could have a settings page. Can we have a settings page separately to manage user settings? Which icon pack are you is it using exactly? Oh, seriously, it just built this SVG? No. SVGs, that's interesting. So settings, okay, my name account, change. Okay, that's updated. Oh, good. Okay, well, that's pretty good. And why do we need this here and circles? Okay. Why do we need the user info and sign up button? Also, can we have a text layout at the next page? Okay, now I want a crop utility. Let's ask what can we do when user uploads React easy crop. Okay, this is, I think this is a fixed crop. Okay. I think this looks good. Okay, there is commit last weekend. That looks good. So let's see what's happening. Integrate crop flow. We also have a prop. Okay. Okay, navigation, we can push the navigation. Detail page. What did we do here? Oh, I think we removed the zoom effect. So we'll do one thing. let's see what's happening here. Okay, so let's upload. What can we upload? Do we have everything? No, we don't have the other image, so let's upload this. Okay, so now we got crop. Great, so we got 300% crop, and we could just crop right there. Okay, I want something like that. Okay, let's crop. Okay, I think that looks good. Now let's apply, but I have this problem where the filter is going out, so let's fix that. Write prompt to fix the keeping of the border to open code. This is the problem, right? Okay, so let's try to use this one. Let's use this prompt. Oh, it did it attach the file? You don't. Okay, that's my bad then. So I think it will think that there is a file attached, but we didn't use a file, so fine, it's not a problem, but I didn't read it right. So fix the layout and clipping issue in the horizontal filter selected component shown in the code. Active or selected filter container. Ping border variant is currently overlapping and clipping the adjacent filter cards to its right, like the Clarendon card. Okay, I'm listening this, I'm reading this word new. Let's see what it is. Clarendon card. What does that mean? Okay. Oh, it's just explaining what it is. Okay, fine. Requirements, fix the width, padding, all margin constraints, ensure the parent chooses proper layout, native margins, absolute. Okay, all this fine. I think it fixed it. Yeah, now it's current. Now I guess it's better. That looks good. Let's use something like, let's use Juno. We'll send it to nature circle. Oh, we need this boat trip and holiday. Yeah, so let's select a color. I think this matches, so let's submit. Okay, so now this is showing up. Let's go to the other user, open the circle, and yeah, now we got this. We got the image in both places, so that looks good. Are we seeing who shared it? We are not seeing the name of the person. that we should fix. Can we share the name of the person who shared this circle in the card or somewhere? Okay, so it's adding it to the spitball type, store display name, photo URL on spitball creation, show author info and detail model. Okay, it's going to show up somewhere around here. And I think these text can be a bit more visible. Let's fix that also. Why is this not that clear? The image should be better. I think it's not taking the full resolution. Maybe oh, it's just using 200. Oh, it's using just 200. That's pretty low. So okay, it's still doing some. Oh, thought it's done. Okay. Huh. Okay, we got an error. Let's fix it. And let's ask AI to push the code after these changes. So now spitball user. I thought it's gonna show the name of the user. Huh. But that's not showing up. So it should actually give the correct name. For some reason it's not. It's are we still doing something here? I'm not doing anything. So we are not using SSR for this as it is Firebase. Yep, now we got the name. Why is it saying someone? Huh. somehow it's not. I think it's is it stored in a document? Maybe we need to change the rules. Use it. Fine. What about the rules? I think it's the rules which should be checked. Oh. Now stories has fallback when user has no display name instead of football. User comes okay. Display your own entries. Always show your real author from the store works for all entries too. Other users entries shows their stored present. Hides the author row entirely if the field is missing. Okay, I think okay. So I guess it's not available in the thing. So let's just check. Okay, so basically we don't have the name. We just have the user ID, but why can't we show? Maybe we just need to nudge. Okay, we are saving the user ID in the file store for this bit. Why can't we show the name to the other person? Okay, let's try that. Let's try these. Oh, okay, this is done for that. Okay, let's try this. Okay, let's try the image upload and okay, I got this. Or else, okay, let's go down, crop. Okay, we got the gradients. Okay, good. I think I need to move this slider to the top. This doesn't look good. Yeah, I think this looks good in the phone, but we might need to change. Okay, what's that? The issue is that Firebase other than client SDK can only read it out and use this profile. Yeah, we need a join, right? Like kind of. lock these users out and then we'll try to make it. So we'll just delete this. And we'll delete these accounts. We'll delete the okay. So now when we create a new user, we'll get the user. So okay, I think it's I guess it automatically updated the docs from here. Okay, I think it automatically did, which I shouldn't have deleted it in the first place. So let's do this again then. Okay, so let's go and create a new account. Oh, okay. Create a new account here too. Need to sign out. I think it's stuck. Wow. So let's clear maybe that will work. Hey, why are you not working? Let's try again. Yep, now it's better. So oh, yep. So now if we go to Firestore, we'll get all the user info. So we got the user data. Why is the display name null? Oh, we are not taking the username. Sorry. Okay, display name, we are not taking the display name. But here we have display name. Interesting. So we need to fix this problem. Display name is saving as null instead of the name. Okay. Okay, for now we'll update it normally. Believe if we do sign out, sign in, sign out, we'll see if this would work. Yep, now it works. So we could do, hey, why? Okay, this is also not working for some reason. So let's just go to settings. Okay, it's just saving normally. Okay, I think it's saved. Yeah, it did. Yeah, it did save it. Yeah, so that's good. Let's sign out, sign in. Okay, so let's go here. Oh, we did change the name, but it's not showing. Oh, okay. I think Firestore is slow and slowly refreshing it. So, oh, this is also done. Am I saying it wrong, or is it pretty slow, or what is happening? How? Okay, maybe. No. How is this taking up the display name? Let's do this again. Huh, interesting. So how? Maybe very fresh. Oh, there is some weird thing happening. Why? We'll do a typing thing then rather than so I think it's fixed, so let's try again. What to do? Yep, now it works fine. So let's fix this finally. Okay, now let's just add a image. We'll add this, crop it, cropped. Now we'll go select filter, travel to tourism, vintage. We'll select something like this. Oh, I forgot to add it to circle. Okay, no problem. We can just, oh, I thought, oh, wait a second. Oh, I need to create a circle. I forgot. So we'll create a circle. So what is the, so we'll, what should be the name of the circle? Name of the circle, name of the circle. Daily routine. Okay. Okay. Okay, circle created, code. Okay, now if I go, how do I share this? But how do we share? Okay, I need to share it like this, but I don't want that. So oh right, we need test data, correct. First, can you add a share option to share the circle or something? So we can't do more than one every day, so that's good. If we get greedy, we might increase the number. If we get greedy and we want retention, then we can change. Okay, I'll add an invite code batch plus share button to the circle page. Yep, I think I'll use the invite code instead of. Yep, I got the share thing. Okay, invite code, copy it. Just go to this. Hey, why is this blank? Why are you blank? Huh? What's happening? Okay, so if we go here, we could use the invite code and click on join, joined, but this is not refreshing, so we need to refresh after creating or joining a circle. Your circles component is not refreshing. We just need to trigger the effect, but it's not doing anything. Just need to trigger the API call. Why do I need on snapshot? We could just trigger get docs again, right? Like, why? Why do we even need it? You're already a member of this circle. How do I get out of this circle? How do I leave the circle? Why do we need on snapshot? Like, why are you assuming we need it? Bill fix now subscribes to on circle members instead of calling when a new membership doc is written. Listener fires instantly and refetches the circle data. No refresh needed. But why? My question. We're just gonna go with it, but I don't know. We don't need a lot of these things, but it's just pushing us to use. We got this. Good. Why is it oddly placed in the middle of the screen? Is it for mobile? Okay, so okay, if I leave, no, we are the owner, right? Let's say we'll leave, failed to leave. Why? Failed to leave circle. So what's the problem? Huh? Bloom filter error. Interesting. I'm not a member. Why are we not doing live refresh? Okay, let's try to add the, where is this? Pen share, copied, paste, join. Yep, we got this. So now this user can open and then we can add. Okay, now we have shared to the circle, so this user can see this, so that's cool. So this is update, this is uploaded by John Doe, and this is John Doe. So we could just go into this user and we could create a new. I will just use the same example, but maybe we'll use this with the mountains and all. And let's do something like that. Crop, done. Let's see, nature, boats, water. Okay, let's do this and we'll use this one. Okay, and daily routine, submit. Okay, now this is shared, so we could just go open the circle, and yeah, well, that's done. So this is by John Doe and this is by Quill, so that looks perfect. But I think there will be a problem of where if I change the user's name, then that won't reflect here because this is stored in the Firestore rather than the actual place. So that's, oh, here I can see, interesting. Here I can't see this. Okay, because here, as this is their own account, it's just fetching the current user's name, so that's fine. But this can't be changed because we are using docstore. So that's a problem which we might need to do a join, and we need to create another doc to combine these two and use a user ID to combine them and do a lot of things. So for now this is fine. My only problem now is the lowest resolution I'm seeing in this page. Why the thumbnails are very pixelated. See, I knew this. It's just maxing it out to 200, which looks pixelated on retina screens where grid cells render at 2 to 3x resolution. Of course, right? Like this is not retina, this is just casual LED. It's still the same. Maybe this is better. Maybe. Here it's not. Oh, we are storing those. Okay, so okay, it's already stored as okay, it's compressing and storing it. All right. Well, that's a compromise. For now it looks fine because we are just using the same image instead of thumbnail, but we should compress, however. So this isn't a good idea to do, but it works fine for us. Like our app is not gonna have much users, so this is fine. So why does it say one member? We have two members, right? Why does the I think we need to fix it in a different way, so let's fix it tomorrow. Okay, I guess we are at the stage where we can stop the stream for today, and I believe we should slowly move on from the image based apps to maybe text DB based apps, so that it would be better. Maybe the costs will be a little less because storage is costly, but databases, those are a bit. Maybe we could use our own database, like a local database, but storage, it's gonna cost us more. So we'll think about any new applications in the future, but for now this has a lot of image processing over here, so let's see what we'll do. Okay, so thanks for sticking again in the stream. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll look into the features tomorrow. The new features we'll try to add new features with open code tomorrow, and we'll continue and see how our Spitball app is going to turn out. So until then, thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.